All right, let's take a look at the second problem from the Google Codejam 2022 qualification round. So what's going on here? So we want to print logos, and they all have to look the same. And we have 3 printers. Each one needs to print 1 logo. They have 4 colors of ink. And yeah, we know how much they have of each color. You need 1,000,000 units of ink to print a logo. But any combination that adds up to 1,000,000 is fine. And okay, so we need to print it from all 3 printers. So they each have to have, however much color we want. So I think we can just take the min across each printer and see if that works. Because right, like how much yellow ink can we use for the logo? Well, we can't use more than is in each of the, that's in any of the printers, and we can use the min, right? That's the most we could possibly use. So just try that. Let's see. CMYK. Doesn't actually say what the input limits are. I see. This sucks. So we want to take min, so we start out at infinity. Why is my indentation messed up? Not sure. Y is min, K is min. Okay. They do actually need to add up to 1,000,000, right? Yeah. So if we have extra ink, we need to sort of subtract off until we have the right amount. Impossible. And if we don't have any, If we don't have enough ink, then it's impossible. Vector here, I think. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to use like loops instead of different variables for each color. Definitely cleans things up a little. Not know about min. Don't know about min. Cool. $30, $20, $30, $20, impossible, some random numbers. There. Okay, let's give it a shot. In C++. You can output any of them. 1, 2. I see. Sure. And it looks like this is correct.